Hey there and welcome to Consult the Plant Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode we're actually talking about how you can make money from growing and selling plants and vegetables. Most people don't consider this as a possible income source, but you definitely should. It can be done part-time or full-time. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. Hey there, welcome to the show. In today's episode, we're talking about how you can actually make money from growing and selling plants and vegetables. Whether it's a indoor house plant or an outdoor plant or flower, or whether you're growing fruits or vegetables, it is actually a way that you can make money from the comfort of your home. Many people don't actually consider this, but it is something you can do full-time or part-time to make some extra money. If you have a green thumb or are wanting to develop a green thumb, you should definitely consider making some money off of growing your plants or vegetables. Now, how can this be done? Well, there's a few different ways. You can grow indoor or outdoor plants and vegetables, fruits, and you can sell them from your own home, curbside, either in your neighborhood or in a busy area in your city. You can also go to farmers markets and other vendor type places like that to be able to sell your plants, veggies, fruits, flowers, whatever it is you choose to grow. Now, another way that you can utilize your plants and vegetables is not only to sell the finished product itself in the case of fruits and vegetables, but you can also sell starter plants as well as seeds. If you've got a garden in your yard, you can keep whatever it is that you choose for yourself for the season, and then anything that is excess, you can actually sell, whether you do it from your own home, on the roadside, or at a venue like a farmer's market. Same thing with the starters. You can actually start growing your plants, take a few out as they're getting started, put them in pots, and be able to sell those so your customers can go home and grow their own and become more self-sustaining if they're growing fruits or vegetables, or whether it's growing seasonings or just general houseplants and flowers. Another way that you can make money is to actually sell the seeds to those plants, flowers, and vegetables. If you take those seeds and you put them in a packet of, we'll say, 10, 15, 20, or however many you really wish to, depending on your plant type, you can actually sell each little bundle of seeds for a couple bucks. Now, if you take a pack of seeds of 10 and sell them for, we'll say, hypothetically $2, and you sell 100 packets, that's $200 in your pocket. And you can do that, as I said before, from your home, roadside, or at venues like farmers markets and other places. You can also have the variety of all of them as well. You can offer starter plants, seeds, and the finished product, whether it's a fruit or a vegetable, all at the same time. That way, your customer can choose. Do they want just a fruit and vegetable, flower, or plant? Do they want to grow their own to continue that cycle themselves of having more and more of that particular plant or fruit or vegetable? Or do they want to have seeds to be able to start from scratch on their own? Another way that you can actually make a little bit more money from growing fruits, vegetables, plants, and flowers is to actually make up a garden guide. Now, if you've got a green thumb, I'm sure you have perfect knowledge on how to take care of your plants. Otherwise, you wouldn't be growing them yourself for as long as you have been. Share your knowledge in a digital book or even in a couple-page guide to help your customers with growing their plants. Maybe you have knowledge on how to keep bugs away instead of using the harmful chemicals that are out there. Maybe you have a green thumb to the point that you can talk them into how to prepare their soil, take care of their plant, proper watering, proper amount of sun. There is a number of ways that you can share your knowledge and experience with your plants or fruits and vegetables so you can help out your customer. That, my friends, is a great way to be able to make some money, whether it's just a side hustle, something you want to do part-time, or something you want to do full-time. Because even though it's winter, you can still grow the majority of plants, fruits, and vegetables from indoors if you have a greenhouse or a setup within your basement or a room in your house to continue the cycle all year round. So I hope that was helpful. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them down below in the comments. I'd be more than happy to answer them for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. I hope you have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and we'll see you in the next episode.